towel that can change your baking game.
VIVA Las Vegas!
Hey bakers, welcome back to Tram-Anh Streets, and if you're anything like me, you hate using fondant with a burning passion. Today I'm going to show you how VIVA paper towels are going to change your baking game. These guys have magical powers. Somehow, these have a magical capability of not sticking to buttercream when you lay it on it, unlike, to name a few. No shade, I'm just saying. I've got an awesome cake to show you that's a prime example of when you need buttercream to be smooth and you don't want to use fondant. So let's get to it. To make this cake dome-shaped, I actually use one of those doll tins. You know, like the ones that you use to put the Barbie inside and then like the cake is the dress part. I know, so clever. Another thing, you might have seen in some of my videos that I have white already laid on top of the layers of my cake before I start frosting them. You're probably like, what the heck is that? Is your cake moldy? No, it's not. I have a secret weapon when it comes to making cakes. I like to add a layer of freshly whipped heavy cream on top of my cakes before I put icing on it, because when it's setting in the fridge, the moisture from the heavy cream soaks into the cake and it keeps it from drying out longer and it makes it taste really good. So of course you're gonna layer and then trim the cake until it's about the shape that you like. And then you're gonna add a crumb coat, of course. Now I've made two colors of icing, white and red, and I'm using a piping tip to evenly pipe it across the top of the cake. This is way better than just spatulaing it on because this is going to make sure that it keeps the dome shape and there's an even amount of icing distributing everywhere. And then with an offset spatula, just smooth those lines together, and as you can see, the shape is still kept. Now, for the big reveal, the paper towels! You just lay it on top and you smooth it with your hand and it makes it smooth. Don't try this with any other paper towel because I promise you it's not gonna work. That's all there is to it really. It's super simple. You can do it on the corners of round cakes to make the edges sharp. You can do it on the sides, you can do it on the tops, you can do it on flower decorations that you put on top of your cake. So many possibilities! Gotta catch them all the paper towels. Oh god, I'm so sorry. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a little bit more about some tools you can use to make your cake super awesome. Let me know if you try this technique at home and please send me pictures. You can share on my Facebook page or tag me on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next week,
VIVA Las Vegas! VIVA Las Vegas!
some sort of sorcery.